Hey guys, it's Katherine here again and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being here. I am a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own Vogue cover. You know, like this Vogue challenge trending on social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and every other social media. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I create. Then after opening the app, you click on that plus sign, that purple plus sign over there. When you click on that sign, it takes you to your camera roll. So then you see all photos, all videos. You click on all photos. Then you go through your photo gallery on your phone to figure out what picture you're going to be using for this. And I'm going to be using that cute picture over there. You click on sticker. When you click on sticker, you type Vogue. Because I had edited this before, so it was in my recent, but for you that you're doing it for the first time, you type Vogue and you can just select whichever Vogue that you want. So because of the picture that I have there, it's pink and purple, so I decided to go with this. So then you click on it, you just drag just to make sure that everything is well put together. So here I'm just, trying to arrange it to make it look all nice, all natural, look like the Vogue cover that we usually see, So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So for this particular picture that I edited, I don't need to do much. So I'm going to show you guys how. So right now I'm just trying to, drag and just, make sure everything is sitting right, so everything looks right. So I'm also going to show you guys how to edit it in such a way is like a closer view picture. If you notice, the first one that I did, the picture was far off, but if you have a closer view picture like this picture, which means that the text is going to be on your head or your face, So this is what you do. So after clicking on the picture and dragging it right, like everything sits right. There's a button at the topmost part to click on it. Then next, you're going to click on erase at the down part. You click on erase. So you zoom into the picture and you erase those pink. You erase the O and the G, because O and the G apparently is on my face. So you erase it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm erasing. The next step is to, after erasing, you zoom in and you restore. So right now I'm restoring the areas that like I erased and I feel like I need to restore back. So I'm restoring those areas right now. That's what I'm doing now. And yeah, that's basically it. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to comment what you like about this. Let me know if you're going to be trying it out, and when you do on your social media, please tag me at Katherine Useh on Instagram, on Twitter, and Katherine Useh on Facebook. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe. Support your girl. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I love you guys.